All right, let's dive into Zombie Kidz Evolution. This is a super fun, cooperative adventure where you and your friends team up to save your school from a zombie invasion. It's a quick game, perfect for 2 to 4 players, and in the next few minutes, we're going to get you up and learning on exactly how to play. Okay, so here's what we'll cover. We'll start with the objective, then get into the game setup, walk through how to play your turn, cover how you win and lose, and finish up with a few quick tips. First up, what are you actually trying to do? Well, your objective is to lock down the school. This is a team game through and through. You're all in it together. To win, you've got to work as a team to place one lock on each of the 4 big school entryways. You'll either all win as heroes, or you'll all get overrun by zombies. Okay, let's get the board set up. It's really fast, so you'll be playing in no time. First thing you need to do is grab the game board. If you're playing with just 2 players, you're going to want to use the night side. For 3 or 4 players, go ahead and flip it over to the day side. All right, now take one zombie and place it on each of the 4 entryway spaces. The other 4 zombies, they become your zombie reserve. Just set them off to the side of the board for now. Next, everybody picks a hero, and you all start right there in the central red room. And that's it. You're ready to play. So how does a turn work? Well, play moves clockwise, and on your turn, you'll perform 4 actions in a specific order. Every turn looks the same. First, a new zombie appears. Second, you move your hero. Third, you eliminate zombies. And fourth, you try to place a lock. Let's break down each of these steps. Okay, first thing on your turn, you gotta roll the colored die. You'll take one zombie from the reserve and place it in the room that matches the color you rolled. Now, if you roll the white side, you're in luck. No zombie appears on your turn. Next up, you get to move your hero. It's pretty simple. You can move to any space next to you as long as there's a doorway connecting them. Or, hey, if you've got a good reason, you can choose to just stay put. Now, this brings us to a really important rule you have to remember. It's the 3 zombie rule. First part, you can't move into a space that already has 3 zombies. It's just too crowded. Second part, if you're in a space and a 3rd zombie gets added, you have to use your move action to get out of there on your turn. All right, after you've moved, it's time to fight back. You can eliminate up to 2 zombies from the space you're currently in. Just pick them up off the board and place them right back into the zombie reserve. And the final action, placing a lock. This is how you make progress. So if your hero and a teammate's hero are on the same entryway space, you guys can high-five and place a lock token there. That gate is now permanently safe from zombies. So you know how to play a turn. But how does the game actually end? Well, there are 2 ways. Winning is simple. As soon as your team places that 4th and final lock, you win. Instantly. Game over, school's safe. But you can also lose. If you ever have to place a zombie from the reserve, but the reserve is empty, well, the zombies have overrun the school and your team loses. Before you jump in, here are just a couple of quick tips to help you get that first victory. First, try not to let zombies pile up in one spot. Remember that 3 zombie rule. It'll block you. Second, always try to eliminate 2 zombies if you can. It's just way more efficient. And finally, keep clearing those entryways. Not only does it get you closer to placing locks, but it also sends zombies back to the reserve, giving you more time to win. And one last thing that makes this game so awesome. Every time you play, win or lose, you'll make progress. You'll complete missions, and you'll get to open these cool sealed envelopes. They'll add new rules, new powers, and all kinds of surprises that change the game as you go. And that's everything you need to know to get started. You've got the rules, so now the only question is, can you work together to save the school? Good luck!